Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question English 2018 question number 6. In each of the questions 4 to 13, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or words or phrase in italics. Our principal took exception to the ignoble role the teacher played in the matter. The word we are looking at is ignoble, and the options are embarrassing, B, honorable, C, extraordinary, D, dishonorable. Now, for us to be able to pick out the word that is opposite in meaning, we need to know the meaning of the word in question, which is ignoble. What does ignoble mean? Ignoble simply means not honorable. That's the meaning of ignoble. Not honorable. Something that is not honorable. Not honorable. That is the meaning of ignoble. So which is opposite of it here? So we're going to look at the words one by one. Number one is embarrassing. What is the meaning of embarrassing? Embarrassing simply means feeling uncomfortable or shy. Feeling uncomfortable. That's the meaning of embarrassed. When you feel embarrassed, it simply means that you're feeling uncomfortable or that you're feeling shy. That's the meaning. Then honorable means worthy of respect. When something is honorable, it simply means that that thing is worthy of respect. So you can simply see that the opposite, ignoble, honorable, you can be seeing the relationship there. Then extraordinary, what does it mean? Extraordinary, when you say that something is extraordinary, it simply means that that thing is not usual, or something that is unusual. Not usual. Extraordinary, something that is unusual, is extraordinary. So important. Dishonorable, something that is bringing shame. Dishonorable is something that is bringing shame or disgrace. Something that is bringing shame or disgrace to someone or something. So you can see the meaning of all these words, so you can easily pick out the one that is opposite to not honorable. Something that is bad, ignoble. So honorable here is opposite of it, so something that is worthy. You can see that not honorable is the same thing as dishonorable, something that is bringing shame. So you can see that this is similar to this. Extraordinary doesn't really have much connection with them as to opposite or similar in meaning. Feeling uncomfortable or shy can still be related to not honorable. It's still something you're not something that is not worthy of your being comfortable with. So the one that is directly opposite to not honorable is something that is honorable. So that makes option B the most likely answer, and that is the answer we're picking. Thank you.